See them. Both these guys are fighting on that card, not against each other, obviously. So they're both making their amateur debut. The gentleman in the gray is Alex Padron, and the gentleman in the blue is Gabriel Sages. All right, you guys ready? Begin.
There you go. Nice. Get back up. Get back up. And attack those legs. Slow that shot down. You got to go back up. Good control. Keep your pressure on him. Pressure on him. Careful with that side. Look against the fence like that. Get your position back. Turn into him. Get your position back.
Keep turning. Pull that hip out. Up. Drive up. Get wide. Walk. Come up. Stand up. Get wide, Gabe. Get wide, Gabe. There you go. Just like we practiced over there on the cage. Come on, that's okay. Separate from him and punish, bud. Separate and punish. There it is. Stay on it. Stay on it.
Good job, boy.
Same thing as before. Separate and punish, Gabe.
Nice sweep. Get that leg out. Push the half. On these sides.
Yeah, let's pull his chin.
Look for those underhooks on the bottom. There you go. Use that cage. Stand up. Use the cage.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, use your right hand to push on that knee to get guard, man.
Plant that foot, come up. Plant that foot. Plant it. Plant it.
Stand up.
Other foot. Put your other foot flat and stand up.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Good.
Going for the knockout. Yeah, push away. This is what the fight's going to be like, Gabe. We need to work now.
Push him off. Gabe, circle.
There you go.
Punish when you separate, buddy.
Separate.
Separation combo. Yeah, Gabe. Good. Yeah. Break those legs down. Get the legs.
Hands up. Hands up.
Oh, nice combo. Try it again. Right.
Take you down. Nice.
Hey, keep your hands up high. There you go. Breathe. Slow your breathing down.
Oh, now they're just starting to realize this is hard.
Good.
No breath in there. Pull that thing down under your chin, dude.
Hey, keep your hands up, buddy.
I like that little body attack.
Oh!
There you go.
Oh!
Get up. Put that knee to
1 minute.
the body, Gabe.
1 minute.
You're good. Crawl around. Oh, nice.
Stay on top of him. Stay on top of him. Alex, use it.
Good
job, Alex.
Keep driving.
Let go of the neck.
Look for that bomb flu. Wrap around and choke
You don't
him.
need it.
Better position.
Alex, wrap around his head.
You don't need it.
Gabe, let go of that head, bud. You're going to get...
Throw some punches. There you go. Keep going.
Create space. Get your right knee.
15 seconds.
Do it now. Get up. 15 seconds.
Get up.
Leave it in there. Leave it in there.
Stand up.
Let's go.
Keep going. Hey, don't stop.
Get your
There you go,
separation.
Gabe.
Get
Push.
down.
Push.
Well done, Alex.
There you go. Keep going. Push feet on the cage and push. Yeah.
Nice, Alex. Great.
All right, let's give Alex a big round of applause. They will be performing at Combat Nights 11 at the Coliseum March 2nd, along with 3 other Train, Fight, Win